In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Notion data effectively. Exporting data from Notion is a great way to keep backups of your information or to migrate your content to other applications. I'll walk you through the steps for exporting individual pages, entire workspaces, and databases, outlining the available formats and tips for each option. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about exporting a single page from Notion. Start by opening the page you wish to export. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a button with 3 dots. Click on that to access the menu. From there, you'll see an option labeled Export. Select this to start the process. At this point, you'll need to choose an export format. You have several options. PDF is ideal for printing or sharing documents. HTML maintains the page structure for viewing in a web browser, and Markdown and CSV exports text as Markdown and databases as CSV files. You might also have additional settings available, such as including subpages in your export. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Export. Remember to save the downloaded file to your computer for future reference. If you have the necessary permissions and want to export an entire workspace, you'll need to head over to your settings. Begin by opening the settings from the left sidebar of the Notion interface. Depending on your plan, you might see this listed as just Settings or as Workspace Settings. Once you're in, scroll down to find the Export Content section. Here you'll click Export All Workspace Content. Again, choose your preferred export format. If your workspace is quite large, Notion will handle the preparation of the export in the background. Once it's complete, they'll email you a download link so you can access your files. Now let's talk about exporting a database. Open the database that you want to export and, similar to before, click the 3 dots menu located in the upper right corner of your screen. Choose Export, and you'll again need to select your desired format. CSV is best for spreadsheets, but Markdown and CSV and HTML are also options depending on your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Export, and you're all set. When choosing an export format, keep in mind that PDF is best for printing and sharing. HTML works well for viewing in a web browser, while Markdown and CSV are great for backups, migrations, and importing into other tools. CSV is particularly suitable for opening databases and spreadsheet applications. It's important to note that only users with the necessary workspace permissions can export an entire workspace, and large exports might take several minutes to process. Typically, files and images are included in HTML and Markdown exports, but note that comments, version history, and some collaborative features are not part of standard exports. Exporting your Notion data regularly is a wise practice for creating robust backups or for migrating content as needed. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data is safe and accessible, no matter what your future needs entail.